Okay, I like to keep this short and simple. If you have a Honda such as an Accord, CR-V, Fit, any of these things, Pilot, has daytime running lights, these newer Hondas. If you want to get rid of your daytime running lights, it's very simple. Obviously they're on right now. All you gotta do is pull the daytime running light fuse. This is the 08 to 12 Honda Accord. I'm just gonna show you how simple this is. The fuse is located on the driver's side foot area. If you look, here's a diagram. You're looking for this one right here, daytime running light, DRL. Come back here, and it's going to be this one right here, the second one up in the center. I'm gonna have to use a pair of pliers or a fuse puller. I just happen to have a pair of pliers. Simple as that. I'm sorry if you could see this. I just pulled it out. There's the fuse. Put the key back in the ignition. I'm gonna keep my extra spare fuse right here. And no more daytime running light. That's what I'm talking about. But same thing. If you have a Civic, a Fit, Odyssey, any of them, it's as simple as pulling the daytime running light fuse. It looks so much cleaner, so much better driving down the road. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, please, and subscribe. Thank you.